Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. As we all know, Seollal, the Korean Lunar New Year, is one of South Korea's most important and widely celebrated holidays. And with this meaningful festival being celebrated across the country, I decided to create a special Seollal series to explore every beautiful tradition connected to it. Over the past videos in this series, we have learned what Seollal is and why it's celebrated. We have also explored its important customs and rituals, discovered the symbolic foods prepared for the new year, and also looked at the traditional games that bring families together in joy and laughter. But Seollal is not just about rituals, food, and festive activities. It's also a time to express gratitude, show respect, and share heartfelt wishes for the year ahead. Now, in this final part of our Seollal series, let's discover another meaningful side of this festival: the gifts that people exchange and the special greetings they share to spread blessings and good fortune for the new year. So with this, let's begin with the fifth part of our Seollal series and talk about the various gifts that are being exchanged during this festival and how to say Happy New Year to each other during Seollal. Gift giving is also an important part of Seollal because this festival is not only about performing ancestral rites and enjoying festive meals, but also about expressing appreciation, respect, and good wishes for the new year. It's a time when people show gratitude to parents, elders, relatives, and even business partners through thoughtful presents. People often choose items that symbolize health, prosperity, and good fortune, focusing more on meaning than price. So today, many gifts are also practical and family friendly, blending tradition with modern needs and making gift giving a warm and thoughtful way to welcome the year ahead. So, let's talk about the various gift items that are being exchanged among people. So, here comes one of the most important Korean tradition that is being practiced during Seollal since a very long time, that is giving gift in the form of money to the younger ones by the elders of the family, which is called sebeton. Sebeton. Let's see what this is. So, as I said, it is one of the most meaningful and eagerly anticipated Seollal tradition. Sebeton, the New Year's money, which is given to the younger family members. After performing sebe, the traditional New Year bow, elders they give money to children and the younger relatives. So, sebeton comes from sebe. Okay, you can see it is a combination of sebe and ton. Ton is money in Korean. Alright? So, the money is usually placed inside decorative envelopes and symbolizes wishes for a good fortune, success, and prosperity in the coming year. For many children, receiving sebeton is one of the most exciting and memorable parts of Seollal. So, this is a tradition of giving money to the younger members of the family by the elder ones. Okay, this is a sign of showing their love to the younger relatives, the younger people of the family. With this, the elders they wish good fortune and success in the year ahead. Now, let's talk about other gift items that are exchanged during Seollal. Premium gift sets. Premium holiday gift sets are among the most popular Seollal presents. They often include high quality fruits like apples and pears, or premium beef such as hanum, which is a premium Korean beef, beautifully packaged to show respect and sincerity towards elders and loved ones. So, giving these gift sets is a popular tradition among Korean people, which is being practiced since a very long time. Okay, giving fruit gifts sets and giving meat gift sets. Alcohol and beverages. Alcohol and beverage sets are also common Seollal gifts. Traditional drinks such as soju and rice wine, along with premium wines or whiskey, are often chosen as refined presents. In addition, non-alcoholic options like luxury tea or coffee sets are also popular choices. These gifts they are usually shared during family gatherings, symbolizing celebration and togetherness at the start of the new year. Okay, so the traditional alcohol, the traditional Korean alcohol, soju, or the rice wines, or various tea or coffee sets, they are also popular gifts that are given during this festival. Next comes the gift sets called spam gift sets or spam gift sets. So spam gift sets, they are also popular during Seollal. They are extremely common and popular, I should say, during this festival. These neatly packaged boxes often combine spam, which is a kind of meat, or processed meat, with cooking oil or other pantry essentials, making them practical and convenient presents. So rather than being luxurious, they are valued for their usefulness. Traditional sweets. Traditional sweets are also popular Seollal gifts. Elegant boxes of hangwa or yakwa and other classic Korean confections are commonly exchanged during the holiday. These beautifully prepared treats add a festive touch to the celebration. So, the traditional Korean sweets, hangwa especially, they are also shared during this festival and are again a very popular Seollal gift. Next comes health products. Another meaningful Seollal gift choice focuses on well-being. These days, this is a very common gift item. Items such as red ginseng or honey, herbal teas, and nutritional supplements are often chosen as thoughtful presents. These gifts they reflect sincere wishes for good health and strength in the year ahead. So nowadays they are also getting popular among various family members to exchange health products to show the care and love that they have for each other. Daily necessities. Seollal gift options also include practical everyday items, especially nowadays. Sets containing cooking oil, canned foods, household supplies, or personal care products, they are widely exchanged during the festival. These gifts may be simple, but they are appreciated for their usefulness and convenience. Okay, so as I said, nowadays Seollal gifts are becoming more practical, and people like to give gifts and at the same time receive gifts that could be used in a more practical way and are beneficial for them in their everyday life. Okay? Alright, now it's time to learn how to say Happy New Year in Korean, which is a very important think you should know because it's New Year, and if you don't know how to say Happy New Year, then what's the use of it, right? So let's see how to say Happy New Year in Korean. During Seollal, the most common and respectful New Year greeting is 새해 복 많이 받으세요. 새해 복 많이 받으세요. Okay? It means may you receive lots of blessings in the new year, or please receive lots of blessings in the new year. So rather than simply saying Happy New Year, this phrase, it expresses a heartfelt wish for good fortune and happiness and prosperity. Okay, it is very easy to remember and extremely popular and common. So if you want to wish someone a Happy New Year in Korean, how are you going to do that? 새해 복 많이 받으세요. Alright? Okay, so with this, the series comes to an end. Seollal is a time of new beginnings, a chance to reflect, show respect to our elders, and step into the year with hope and gratitude. Through its meaningful traditions, special foods, thoughtful gifts, and warm greetings, the holiday brings families closer as they welcome a fresh start together. So, as the new year begins, I hope it fills your life with happiness, success, and good health. 새해 복 많이 받으세요.